is up. Today we're gonna be working on a 2004 Mini Cooper. We're gonna put a starter on it. It's a no crank, no start. I done tested all the relays and the fuses. So it's narrowing down to the starters. We're gonna take it off, but we're gonna go about it just the straightforward way. You know, everybody's trying to bypass taking the headers off, but we just gonna take the pipes off and go about it the easy way. You know, I mean, some people say it's the hard way, but once you get them out the way, once you get them right there out the way, you know, with these bolts, I already done started taking the bolts out. The bolts do come out. I'm imagining that's what people are intimidated by, is, you know, I done already got 2 of them out of there. They come out, you know, so just get them pipes out the way and get to that starter. When I get down there to the starter, I'll pick it up from there. All right, now we down here to the meat and potatoes, y'all. See, with all this room, see the starter sitting here? You just move that pipe on out the way, and then you get to the business. See, there's the bolt. I already got that 15 on there, ready to take the top bolt off. You know, easy access. All you gotta do is move that pipe, and you don't have to fight with it and wiggle it. You know.